Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burandt with Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to invite everyone to come down on October 10th to our dealership for our winter kickoff. We'll be featuring Chris Burandt. He'll be here to give a seminar, and we'll be showing off our RPM trailers and the Trails West Freeride trailers as well. Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burandt with Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to show you the all-new 2021 Trails West RPM snowmobile trailer. This particular trailer is going to be loaded with quite a few features. It's going to feature the Chris Burandt package. You can see from the exterior we're going to have the matte black paint finish with gloss black lower aluminum and gloss black top rail. For 2021 we have a redesigned fold-out step, much easier and larger purchase for getting in and out of the trailer. For 2021 the RPM gooseneck is going to have a larger gooseneck nose to it. You can see we also have the completely enclosed gooseneck on this trailer, where we've got the hydraulic jack, dual batteries, and then we have larger propane tanks with this. Snowmobile trailer is going to have the side ramp with traction blocks. Flooring in this trailer is going to be the marine grade plywood with a PVC coating on it, much more water resistant than any other type of flooring. Inside you can see the Trails West RPM trailer is just really nice, fully lined and insulated, lined with aluminum, again for that water resistance. We're going to have really nice JVC audio system in here with the subwoofer. Dual propane furnaces in this trailer, both of them 40,000 BTU. One will run the track melt system, so the ducted floor track melt system, and then a larger furnace there on top for to help fill the space with more warm air. For 2021, we've redesigned the fold-down benches, redesigned and put more shelving in the trailer. We've got some slightly different hooks and some things, just small accessories to make things a little easier to use. This particular trailer is going to have the fantastic vents in them, so I've got two fantastic vents to help pull a lot more CFM's worth of air in and out of the trailer. You'll also see we've got an aluminum fold-down workbench, and then we've got paper towel holder with more accessory holders here. Two nice big windows for cross ventilation. LED lower lighting system, LED interior lights above. This particular trailer is going to have plenty of ski guides and traction blocks on it. Final feature I'm going to show you is the power ramp. So that's just a one button power up, power down ramp. Really nice little setup. So for more information on these trailers, contact us at 800-688-8757. Visit us on our website at murdocktrailers.com.